After watching this tutorial, we will be able to create a photography website like this. In this website, in homepage, there will be beautiful banner and there will be a gallery section, and then there will be an Instagram feeds section, and there will be two other pages. If I go to gallery pages, then this is our gallery page of section. This is the banner and this is our beautiful gallery. And if you go to our next page, which is our contact page, then there is a beautiful banner, and then this is our beautiful contact form, and this is a map which is looking stunning. So if you watch this whole tutorial, then you will be able to create any kind of photography website. Okay, so let's start this tutorial without hesitating our time. Okay, so to create this photography website, I will install 4 plugins and a simple theme. But before I install those plugins, I have to delete some default plugins, pages and theme, because those are unnecessary and those make our website load slower. So first let's go to plugin, and these are unnecessary plugins. We'll select all of them and then simply click on deactivate and apply. And now we'll select them again and click on delete, and these will be permanently deleted. Now our plugin dashboard is pretty clear. So now we may install our necessary plugins. So click on add new, and then our first plugin is Elementor. Okay, so click on install, and this is our second plugin, which is essential add-ons. So click on install, and our next two plugin is, first one is Smash Balloon. Okay, this is our third plugin, so simply click on install. And our last plugin is WP Form. Okay, this is the one. So our all 4 plugins are successfully installed. So let's select all of them and just activate. Okay, this is the setting of essential add-ons. We have to simply click on next, and we have to do only one job, which is select this plugin on, and then we will again click on next, and it's done. Okay, so all our plugins are activated. Now let's go to our theme, API form appearance. Okay, these are default themes, we don't need them, we'll simply delete, but before that we have to install our theme. For this project I will install it and activate our Astra. Okay, click on activate. Okay, so they are recommending us to install the starter templates, but no need. Okay, now let's delete this. Okay, so our theme is clear. Now let's go to our pages. Let's delete these unnecessary pages. Okay, so everything is clear now, and now our job is to create our pages. Okay, I will create 3 pages in this website. Our first page is our home page. Okay, so let's create our page, and before we publish our page, we have to make sure the template is Elementor full white, and then click on publish. In the same way, I will create our second page, gallery, and then click on this setting and make sure it is Elementor full white. And this is our last page, which is contact page. Actually, normally these are 3 pages what clients actually want from us, as I already have worked on photography websites, so most of the time that's the requirement. Okay, now all our pages are done. So before I edit my home page, I have to make sure one thing. We have to go to setting and then go to reading, and we have to select our static page, which is home. That means when visitors will go to our website, they will visit our home page first. Okay, so click on save change. Remember, you have to do this every time when you are creating a new website. And then you have to go to permalink. We have to select post name and click on save changes. And then finally we can go to our channel setting, and this is our site title. Every time put your website name here, like this website name is Adam Photography, Adams Photography, and this is the tagline of your website. Right now I have no tagline, so you make sure you put your tagline there. And then this is the email where we will get all the notifications related to this website. So this is the default email when I installed this subdomain in my WordPress. So every time change this email and put your original email. Okay, for now I can put my original email, good@goodtrainer.com. Yes, and then we can save changes. Okay, so these were all the necessary things before creating a website. So everything is done. Now let's go to pages and then let's edit our home page. Okay, click on edit with Elementor. Okay, okay, we can close. Okay, so first we have to create our banner section, and to create our banner or to take any section, we have to click on this plus icon, and then we have to select a container. So for banner, I will select this single container, and then I have to upload my image, my background image. So from style, we will click on this background type, classic, and then we have to upload our image, and then I'll choose this image as my banner, and next Okay guys, so although first we have to create our banner section, and to take any section we have to click on this plus icon and then select a container. So I'll select this single container, and next I have to upload my hero image, I mean that banner image. So let's go to style and then select classic, and then here we can upload our image. So right now we have no image in our media library, so click on select files, and then there are some images which will be needed to create this website. So I will upload all these images in a single time. Okay. Okay, now I'll select this image as my banner image, so click on select, and then I have to make sure that position is center, attachment is scroll, repeat is no repeat, and display size is cover. Okay, and then we can go to our layout, and here I have to make sure the height is minimum height, and then here I can select the pixel to 800. Okay, it is too much, I will reduce. Maybe 600 is better. Okay, 600 is looking better. And column position is okay, it's not needed. And there is one more thing, stretch selection. Okay, we can make it yes. Okay, it's done, and then we have to upload our heading title. Okay, we'll make it center alignment, and then we'll upload our text like okay, this can be our heading title, and I will make it white color, and in the typography I can keep it okay, I'll make this website with open sense, and the font size will be 66. I usually use this size for H1, and I will make it bold, and okay, that's enough, and I'll make it our global font. Okay, I'll show you later that. Okay, now let me show you something. Okay, in this whole website we will need to select our font and color, and to save our time we can do one thing, we can select some global color and font. So we'll select on this icon, and then we'll go to site setting, and first we'll go to global fonts, and we'll select all these fonts to open sans. Okay, so it's done, and then let's go to then let's go to global colors. There are 4 colors. This color will use for our paragraph text, and there is one more thing, we'll create a custom color, and I'll keep it as my text color. Okay, so that's enough. Okay, we can create one more color. Okay, soft color, it will be white, and I will reduce. Okay, I will select this color later. Okay, for now this is not needed. Okay, now let's go back and save. Okay, so that's our heading, and I forgot to do one more thing. We have to select this section, and here we took our background image, but we will now create a background overlay. I'll make it dark. Okay, 0.5 is enough. It's looking good. Or I can reduce little bit. Yeah, 0.35. That's perfect. Okay, so this is our heading, and under heading I will create a button, not one, I'll create two buttons. I'll reduce this height. Okay, so now I will take this button, I'll make it center alignment, and the text will be gallery. And if I write here gallery, it will suggest that page, and I will link this button with this gallery page. Then I'll go to style, and I will select this color to white, and text color to which we selected a color, text color, which was text color. And then we will take this padding, I'll make it 15 to top bottom, and to right and left I'll make it 25. Okay, that's not enough, I'll make it 40. Okay, 10 is looking good, but I think button is too small. I think make it 50. Okay, and I'll reduce these to 5. Okay, it's perfect now, and I'll click on hover, and in hover I will keep my background color to dark, and text color to white. Okay, it's looking good. Now I will copy this and paste on here, and I will change little thing, like I'll make its color to white and background color to black, and in hover I will make text color to dark and background color to white. Okay, it's perfect now, and I will change these tags to contact us from gallery. Contact us from gallery. Okay, it's perfect now. And now I will take a divider under these both, and I will make it, okay, first I will change its color to white, and it's curly or curved. Okay, curved is looking better. I'll make it white to, okay, first make it center align, and then I will keep it like that. Okay, it's perfect now. Okay, I will make it right align that button and this button again to left align, and now everything will look better than before. Yes. Okay, now I will add a shape in the bottom of this section. So I click on this section and I will go to shape builder, and then I'll select bottom, and then I will select mountain shape. Yes, mountain shape is looking better, and I will make this color to, I will first select white, and then I will reduce its opacity. Okay, now it's looking better, and I will make sure one thing, I will save this color to global color, and I will name it soft color. Soft color. Okay, our banner section is done, and right now we have to create our short gallery section. So I'll click on this plus icon, and then I will create again in this single container, and then I will go to advanced, and I will take a padding of 60 pixel in top and bottom. Okay, so this is because I want to make sure there is gap between every single section, so it is really important for our proper alignment. Okay, then I will search gallery. Okay, and I'll select this gallery, and now I will search filterable gallery. Okay, this is coming from our essential add-ons, so we'll simply drag into this section. Okay, so maybe we can't see anything right now, but we have to upload our gallery items. Right now there are two fields, one is all and another one is gallery item. So first we have to click on filterable controls, and then we have to write some items like there are different types of photos or taking photos like indoor, and we have to write a ID. I'll make it same, indoor, and then I will take another item like outdoor, Then next one, nature. And you may notice that every time I am writing in custom ID the same name which I am writing in the item name. This is because when we'll put our items in gallery item, then we have to make sure the custom ID name and item name is same. Okay, I'll explain it later. Nature. Okay, so there are right now 3 categories, and I will create one more, which is our main, wedding. Okay, so I have created 4 categories: indoor, outdoor, nature and wedding. So I have to upload images in gallery items now. So our first item name will be, okay, this is the control name. Okay, remember I told you that there was a name I put it in custom ID, so I kept everything same, so I have to make sure this is also same. So first one was, okay, at first we'll upload our image, then I will work on this. Okay, suppose this is a wedding photo. I will select it. So item name is wedding, and here in this placeholder, whatever name we upload, it should be same like we put it in that control filter, that custom ID. So I'll make it wedding. It will be in our wedding category. We have to make sure every uppercase, lowercase are same. Okay, so let me show you a demo. If I click on wedding, then you can see that image. This is because I put that name in this control name. And next we'll upload another photo. Okay, let's upload that photo first. Suppose that nature. Okay, item name will be nature. We can keep our item name uppercase or lowercase no matter what. We have to make sure it is same like that filter. Okay, so I will put it into nature category. Then I will upload one more photo. Suppose this one. Okay, not this one. I'll put it into outdoor, and control name will be same, outdoor. And there is one left, indoor, so I'll take one for indoor. What can I put into indoor? Okay, whatever. Okay, it's just a demo. I am putting anything anywhere. Okay, it's indoor. Okay, let me tell you something. This name, item name, will be appear in here. Okay, it's like we wrote our item name into, and this is the item name. Okay, and the last one, okay, I will upload 2 more, then it will look better. Okay, I'll write this. I'll put it again into wedding category. Okay, let's write a different name like art. Okay, now you will see there will be art written, sorry, this one, art, and we'll upload a last image. Okay, let's select this one and I will name it, where I will put, okay, first let's the model artist, and I put it into wedding category. Okay, so it's done. Now if I take a look, okay, we can't see our gallery here, but we'll be able to see it soon. This is because okay, let me remind you one thing. Every time we complete a section, we have to click on update, otherwise we will lost our work. Okay, now if I click on preview, okay, here we can see our gallery. If I click on indoor, there is one, outdoor one, nature one, and in wedding there are 3. Okay, so that was all for gallery section, and there is one more thing, let me show you. We choose our grid styling grid, but if we upload in different size of photos, then we'll select it to masonry. And now if I click on update and preview, then image size will be different, like this one, it was a different size of image. Okay, so let's go back and select it to grid again and click on update. Now our last section for this home page, let's take our section first, select this plus icon, then single item, and I will take a 60 pixel of padding. Sorry, I have to break this link first, and then 60 in top and 60 in bottom. Okay, and okay, first I think better if we change its color to that baby white we selected. This is soft color we selected. I think it's too much soft. I can increase it little bit. And now we have to go to our dashboard, and then we have to go to our plugin. We don't need to go to plugin, okay, if as we went. Okay, this is the plugin which was Smash Balloon Instagram feed. We'll click on settings, and then we will connect our Instagram. Okay, let me open my Instagram account here first. This is my Instagram account. Okay, now I will go to dashboard again and click on add source. And I'll select this to personal account, then connect on, okay, I can deselect this, then connect with Instagram. Okay, I think it's successfully connected. Now if I go to my dashboard again, okay, I think we missed a setting. If we go to dashboard back and click on Instagram feed, and then we have to click on add new, then next, then we have to select our Insta profile, then next. Okay, then we have to click on next, finish. Okay, this is how our feed will be appeared in our web page. Still we can do some customize, like we can select okay, so if we click on feed layout, then we can select the style how it will appear. Okay, right now maybe we can select only one style, which is grid, and for other we need premium, and our padding will be 5 pixel. Okay, now we have to select like how many posts we want to show in our desktop. I want to show 9 posts, and in mobile I want to select 6 every time. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's click on save. It's successfully saved, and now let's click on update and refresh our page. And now if I click on preview mode, go to preview mode and refresh, then you can see our posts are appearing in our desktop. Okay, I will do one more setting. I'll go to edit. Look, it's looking ugly, right, with 4 posts in every column. I want to make it I will make it 3, and now click on save, and if I refresh now, okay, there are 3 images in a row. Okay, it's looking great. Now if visitors click on follow on Instagram, it will take them to our Instagram, and if they click on load more, there will be more images appearing. Okay, it's super. Okay, so our first page is done. Okay, you guys don't worry about, because our gallery and Instagram feed is not appearing. This is a bug from those plugins, but our visitors definitely will get to watch this. Okay, so nothing to worry. And I will do one thing before I create the next pages. I will save this gallery section as a template. So I click on save as template. It will save my time. I click gallery and click on save. Okay, then I will select this section to our banner section, and I will click on save as template and name it banner and save. Okay, so our first page is done. So now let's go to our second page. So we'll go to WordPress dashboard, click on pages, and then we'll click on gallery, and then click on edit. and then we'll click on edit with Elementor. Okay, this is not necessary anymore. Okay, it will be needed because our gallery section. Okay, so now we no need to click on this plus icon. We'll click on this save template and click on my templates, and then click on template, and this is the banner. We'll simply insert, click on apply. It will save our time. Now I will just change that image. As it's our gallery page, I will select this image and click on select. Okay, now I will delete this button. Okay, I will delete both buttons, it's not needed. Okay, now it's looking cool. I will change this text to our gallery, and then I will create our gallery section. Okay, I already have saved it, so I'll just simply insert and apply. Okay, it was really easy. You already have seen that how I created this gallery section. Now I can put some more images in our gallery section, but I don't want to make this tutorial too long, then you will be bored, so I'll left it like it is. Okay, so I'm just clicking on update and going to our next page. All you have to do is just import images more and more and more. There are no needed to create any extra section. Okay, we have to do one thing, like we have to click on this section and reduce this height. Okay, it's not needed. We can keep it 548. Okay, it's perfect. Now click on update, and then we'll go to our dashboard again. Okay, now there is only one page left, which is our contact page. So let's click on edit, and let's click on edit with Elementor. And again we'll upload that template we saved. And I will delete both buttons. I will name it contact us, and I will change this image. Okay, every time try to post similar image which is necessary. Okay, let's select. I think I need to increase the opacity little bit. Yeah, that's better now. And then click on update. Now we have to upload a form. So for this form we'll go back to our dashboard, when we'll create a form which is already created, ready-made by WP form. Click on WP form and then click on all forms. Let's click on create your form. Okay, there are already form created. I will use this. Okay, it's perfect. Name, email. Okay, I have to click on email and make it required. Okay, it's already required. Okay, it's also required. It's not required. Okay, if I click on notification, then confirmation. Okay, confirmation message is okay. We don't need to change it. Let's go to general and okay, it's perfect. Let's save this form. Now if I go back, this is our simple contact form. So let's go to our page again and then take a new section. Okay, before I take new section, I will add that mountain shape in the bottom. Sorry, it's already made. It's very, the opacity is very low. Okay, now we have to create our contact form. So we'll click take a section and a container, and I will take a padding of 60 pixel in top and border, and now I'll take a image box or icon box. Here it is. Sorry, before I take icon box, I'll take a inner section and I'll reduce its white little bit. Okay, then I will take that icon box, just drag and paste. So I'll select icon as email, or I select its font, and then I will change this title to contact us, and I'll put a number, and I put another number, another email. I'll select a BR tag. Okay, now I'll go to style and change this icon color to black. Then I'll go to content and I will change text color to global dark, and description will be same, or I'll make it little bit darker. Okay, it's perfect now. Now if I select this column and go to style and then go to border, and I can select a solid border, and I choose wrong column. Make it none. I'll choose this column and I'll go to style and I'll go to border, and I'll take a solid border. I'll change its color to, reduce its opacity, and now if I take a look, it's okay, but I have to reduce it more. Okay, perfect. Now let's upload our WP form. Okay, let's select this form. What's wrong? Okay, let's first update it and then take a refresh. It will be all right, I think. Now let's take a refresh. Okay, here it was. Okay, let's delete it first. Oh, okay, it's fine now. This is our form. Now if I do one thing, I choose its center horizontally, or I can choose this section and make it vertically. Middle. Okay, it's fine now, I think. Or I'll do one thing. I will go to advanced and go to margin. I'll take a 5 pixel of margin. Now I think it will be looking good. And I'll change this button color because whole our website has a different type of button. So I'll choose this form first and then I will go to style. Then here is our button. I want to change its background color to black. That's enough. Now I will take another section and single container, and again I will take a okay, this I will not take, don't take any padding. I'll just simply search map and drag it. It's perfect now. Now if I click on update, our whole website is now ready. Let's go to next page, and if I visit our site now, damn, this is how our site is looking. And this is our contact page, this is gallery page. Let's go to dashboard and pages. And now let's go to extra, and then let's go to customize layout. Okay, let's click on settings. Or no need to click on settings, we can click on just customize. Now if we go to our header builder, okay, it's perfect now. This is our logo, and let's publish. Is our menu. This is our primary menu. Let's create a menu. Name it main menu and click on next. Then let's add our menu items. First our home page and our then home page, then gallery page, then we'll add our contact page. Okay, if we visit our site right now, this is our beautiful header, this is our banner, this is our gallery sample page, this is our Instagram feed, this is our hover effect, and this is our mountain shape. If we go to our gallery page, this is how beautiful our gallery page is looking. And this is our contact page, this is our contact page banner, our contact page form, this is our contact page map.